Do you find dividing huge numbers difficult and tedious? And do not worry, this is a simple math trick just for you. 2342 divided by 5. How much is that? Let us double these numbers. Double of 2 will be 4, double of 3 will be 6, double of 4 will be 8, double of 2 will be 4. Then you just add a small point here. Then the correct answer will be 468.4 is the correct answer. 2342 divided by 5 is 468.4. Next, 1423 divided by 5. Let us double the numbers here. Double of 1, 2, double of 4, 8, double of 2, 4, double of 3, 6. And just add a small point here. 284.6 is the correct answer. So 3344 divided by 5. What is the correct answer? What do you think?